Hi, everybody. So on February 16th, looking at the futures market for possible 0DTE, some micro E-mini futures, and we're pretty much flat, down 0.06%. So you can see that there's a channel between the 4450s to 4460 range, not really trending up or down much. If you look at the SPY, pretty wide channel here, meaning that there's still a lot of implied volatility with the VIX being elevated. We'll look at the VIX later. Had a channel the last few days at the 444 to 456 region. So we're going to want to look for trades that are above and below these blue bands. That will be color channels. Probably looking at around 453, 454 area on the call side, possibly around 435 or so on the put side. For one of the main reasons why the VIX is high, says Ukrainian President Zelensky says Ukraine learned today, February 16th, will be the day of the attack from Russia. So there's a lot of intel showing that Russia might be attacking today, which would definitely make the markets move quite a bit. So that's why you want to be very far out on your put and call side if we're deciding to go both directions. You could decide to wait 20, 30 minutes after open to see where the market's heading, and then possibly go one direction, maybe the call side or the put side. If it's staying level, I would go Iron Condor and then look to buy to close it relatively early today. I wouldn't want to wait all day with this possible eventual war going on in Russia and Ukraine. That could easily happen. So, quick market update for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Comments down below, or if you're on Theta Traders, and we'll be making the recommendations shortly. And feel free to DM me or ask me questions in the chat. We're going, guys.